What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just making a quick trip to Bash's to get some Windex. Okay, making a quick stop to Bash's to get some Windex because we're gonna go ahead and install some tech spec snakeskin tank grips for my GSXR 600. I wanted to get these for a while, and they finally came in. Thought it'd be a good addition for the bike since I do slide around a lot on this tank. It's really slippery. I feel like it's definitely something to have for sport bikes, and I'm going to be going to the track eventually as well, so I've heard that they're really good for track use and just overall better comfort, so you can grip the tank with your legs. I'm going to go ahead and make a quick trip to Bash's, see if they even have it. Otherwise we'll check out some different stores. Gotta get some gas too. So let's go ahead and see if Bash's has some Windex. They should. I don't see why they wouldn't. If they don't, we'll just go to a different store. No biggie. I probably should have actually parked up front here. It's easy access. But it's whatever. We're just gonna be in and out real quick. Oh, here we are. Windex original. Let's go. Oh, so beautiful. Alrighty, so we got some Windex. So it's good that I made this trip because not only am I getting the Windex to prep the surface as tech spec states, but we're also heating up the tank because it has to be around, I believe, 75 or 80 degrees minimum. Clearly it's going to be a lot more than that, so I'll still let it cool off. I got some gas, but I'll probably get gas the next time, honestly, because I'm not going to be riding this bike for the next 2 days or so, so I just want to get the tank grips on. Yo, dude, that bird, did you see that? Holy! Yeah, this is why you're not supposed to be going fast around corners. That's my bad. That's honestly my fault. But dude, I almost killed that bird. These guys need to be on suicide watch or something, bro. Like, what?